Hey there, if you want to turn on maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the settings. Now from here, scroll down until you find this device care option. From here, you just need to scroll down from the very bottom. In this very bottom, you will find this maintenance mode. If you tap on it, then you can find some cautions and instructions about the maintenance mode, like how maintenance mode keeps you safe, what happens when you turn off maintenance mode. Now you must need to read this caution and instruction before you tap on this turn on button to turn on maintenance mode immediately on your device. Here you will find the temporary cloud backup. If you want to make a backup for some temporary file on your Samsung cloud, then you can tap on it and it will make a temporary cloud backup for your device. Now you can also make an external storage backup on your device, and you can restore it later when you want. Now you can simply tap on turn on button. If you didn't set a screen lock on your device, then you must need to set a screen lock to turn on the maintenance mode, because it will secure your phone with your screen lock. So if you tap on it turn on button and you have set the screen lock, that means you just turn on the maintenance mode, and it's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.